All right, guys, so let's just get right into this. NiceHash allegedly drops a 100% LHR unlock. I woke up this morning, my Discord was blowing up. I had no idea what was going on. I thought the sky was falling, and I guess this is what it is. So I don't really have too many LHR cards, but I do have a 3060 Ti that I could not break 43 mega hash on, so you know it was a garbage LHR. So I do have this in my server. We're going to look at that later on the video and see if this does unlock this GPU, because nothing else really would. But let's see what NiceHash is trying to feed us. We are very excited to tell you that NiceHash Quickminer Excavator is the first mining software to fully 100% unlock LHR cards. Now you can earn more profits than any other mining software on the market if you're using LHR graphics cards with NiceHash Quickminer. Support for NiceHash Miner is coming soon. This also makes it more adventurous than mining direct to a pool, since other software is not capable of unleashing the full capacity of your hardware. Register at NiceHash, download our Quickminer, and get paid in Bitcoin every 4 hours. Now, if you follow my channel, I'm not a big fan of NiceHash. They have great blogs, but when it comes to a platform, I think they hurt the network more than they help it. Important notice, you must use Quickminer version 0.5.4.0 RC release candidate when installing Quickminer. I will have a link to their GitHub in the description below if you do want to try this out. Now we're going to skip through all their normal mumbo jumbo stuff here, scroll down and see exactly what they're trying to tell us here. What GPUs are supported are all LHR variants supported. As of now, all LHR variants except the LHR version 3, 3050, 3080, 12 gigabytes are supported. What GPU driver version should I use? Use the generally recommended drivers, either 472.xx or the latest NVIDIA driver. So just update your drivers, you're good to go. Does 100% unlock only work on NiceHash? Yes, the 100% unlock only works on NiceHash. You cannot use it to mine elsewhere. No, Linux is not supported yet. Are other algorithms also supported? No, for now it's only Dagger Hashimoto ETHAS, which is unlocked. The excavator restarts itself. I'm using MSI Afterburner for overclocking. Do not use MSI Afterburner for overclocking, but use OCTOMINER instead. Now, I am using this in my server right now. It seems to be working fine for me, but I only have the memory and power limit set. I don't have any type of absolute core clock or locking cores in general turned on at all. Can I run other third-party miners besides Quickminer? Running third-party miners besides Quickminer will not work. How does the 100% LHR actually work? Then they try to troll you here, so I'm not even going to click on it. And what is the expected performance of the LHR GPU? So here you can see the 3060 version all the way up to 3, so 1 and 2s. I don't even know if they have a 3, honestly, for that. Says 50 mega hash. The 3060 Ti is 60. 3070s are 60. 3070 Ti's are 81 mega hash. 3080s 10 gigabytes are 98 mega hash. And the 3080 Ti's or 3080 Ti's are 120 mega hash. There's the quick rundown on what NiceHash does have to say to all of us out there. Let's jump into my server PC and see if this actually works. All right, so here I am inside my server PC, and we're going to look at my afterburners right quick here. And you can see I have 1200 on the memory, 0 clock, and 70 power limit. I'm not doing any tweaking. I just want to see, can we break 43 mega hash, which no unlocker to date could do on this 3060 Ti from MSI. If we right click here, we can see this is actually pointing out to 52. It's bouncing all over 51.9. So we broke that. We're over 50 mega hash on this 3060 Ti. So that's actually pretty sweet. I'm just going to scroll up to not that one. What do we got here? And all this. So it's kind of hard. I want to point out one thing here. I just want to close it out. We're going to stop the whole miner altogether. Cancel. Done. All right, it's closed. I'm going to open it. And I want to show you kind of how long it takes to actually get this thing running. So we can already see we're loading up. Everything's getting going. Start mining. Engage. All right, it started mining already. Yes, we know. Thank you. We're going to right click. No, come back before it has any time to do anything. Right click. Speed. Look how it's ramping up already. Like, how does that work? I haven't used NiceHash for quite some time, but look how fast. That isn't even enough time to load a DAG file, but maybe NiceHash works different. I don't know, but this is pretty much instant hash rate rolling on here. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with NiceHash and this is normal, just let me know. It's been a couple years before I tried NiceHash myself, but for some reason, I just think that's way too fast to load any type of DAG file. But, you know, they could be doing something different here. But can we just kind of see what they have going on here in the log? Let's just scroll up. Going through its thing. CPU location intensity 55%, unlock ratio 100%, and then they just roll through. But it ramped up very, very fast. Here we are inside my normal NiceHash dashboard, and we can see that it's currently estimated about $1.86 Canadian, and I've got 3 cents so far in like, I don't know, 10 minutes or so. But we are still over that 50 mega hash mark. So allegedly, numbers wise, this is working. No, obviously I'm going to need some more tweaking to try to potentially bring this to the 60 mega hash mark. Maybe later on today, I'm going to have a live stream. I'll try my 3060 out in NiceHash, see what kind of numbers we can get with that. But, you know, in theory, everything looks like it's working. It just seems like it's working too fast. Now, we can't look at any type of pool stats or anything like that to dictate what's actually going on. So is this doctored numbers or is it really working? I guess time will only tell depending on what our payouts are. But at the same time, if you're not familiar with NiceHash, you get paid depending on what people are renting your hash power. So people pay NiceHash and NiceHash just points you to whatever these guys pay are charging or want to pay for hash power for the hour. So you're getting paid based on what people are, renting your hash power for. It's not necessarily you're getting paid by the amount that you mine. That's not how NiceHash works. Anyway, so let me know your thoughts on this. Are you trying this out right now? Is this a marketing scam just to get more users into NiceHash so they could potentially attack more networks in the future once Ethereum is gone? I have no idea. I don't know. Just throwing that out there. I'm not saying there's any truth to that, but thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Rabid out. Thank you for watching my video, and if you haven't seen one of these, be sure to check them out. And if you already seen them, maybe you missed some, might have to watch it one more time. And if you just let it play in the background, that's all right as well. I do try to live stream every weekend as well as every couple days during the week, so be sure to be subscribed so you don't miss that. As always, have a great day.